Good morning, everybody, from snowy Amsterdam. It's been snowing for the last couple of days, and finally today the weather is good enough to go for a walk and enjoy the beautiful scenery. So today I'm gonna be taking you on a snowy walk around Amsterdam. Freezing cold. It's -5 at the moment. Let's head to the center and see what's going on there. My friggin' god, guys. I was not expecting the canals to be frozen already. Look what is happening here. I'm really stunned by this. I was not expecting that so soon. Everything is frozen. My god, this is such a lovely day. Isn't this magical? I'm definitely gonna be crossing this bridge just so we can take a closer look of the canal full of ice. How can you live there? It's too cold. That's simply beautiful. Everything is covered either in snow or ice. As soon as the slightest amount of ice appears, Dutch people jump on their ice skates and they enjoy circling around the canals. So I'm definitely gonna be heading to the center because I think it will be a spectacular sight to see. I thought it would be an impossible task to find a decent car today because everything is covered in snow. But look at this specs. It's half black, half gold. Tesla. I really like gold. Haven't seen gold cars so many times. Ha! I'm here again. I'm so happy with the snow. As you can tell, I'm only dancing everywhere there is snow. Okay, that was good. And it's already too cold, guys. But I wanna keep going. Let's do that. 10 minutes later, I'm currently in the Pijp. Have you ever made any sudden decisions and you turned out to totally regret them 10 minutes later? So that's what's happening to me right now. The snow here at the center is terrible. I was thinking it would be a winter wonderland, but maybe this was the case 7 in the morning. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. It was so white and fluffy in my neighborhood. But anyway, I'll keep going in the Pijp because I'm sure in the less traveled neighborhoods things look really nice. And the worst case scenario, I will grab a coffee and then I'll find a bench to probably enjoy said coffee. This place looks friggin' beautiful. No matter what. No matter if it's summer, winter, autumn. Oh, look at those bikes right there above the hotel sign. They have placed some bikes. Typical Amsterdam. Such a beautiful day nonetheless. It might be super cold, but at least it's not rainy, it's not snowing, it's not windy. Some hearts on this car. Very nice food I'm smelling. Makes me hungry myself. I'm scared I'll fall. I'll slip on a piece of ice and I will fall down. So far, it hasn't happened. But the snow is so thick. It's been snowing for days. The only practical way to talk to myself on camera without having to set up my tripod someplace. But I'm really close to the place where I'm gonna get my warm coffee with caramel syrup. Nothing will stop me. Oh yes, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. Snow by the canals. This one hasn't been frozen yet. It's a really wide one. It takes a lot of days with minus degrees for this canal to freeze. It's relatively quiet. People are at work. We also have the stupid quarantine. It's been 4 or 5 days of staying inside consecutively, and that's what I thought. I deserved a walk in the snow, breathe some fresh air, and do this video. Next up, coffee place. Coffee place. Walk in the snow. It feels so good. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but these doggies are really enjoying the snow. They seem so happy. I'm also happy for the snow. Some bikes drowning in the snow. It was way worse a couple of days earlier. And this is where I'll get my coffee. But yeah, guys, everything is closed. Our expectations have been adjusted. And this is actually a coffee that I enjoy. So let's get inside. Oh, mask first. How many more things will I wear on my head? I also have these earphones and this one and the hoodie and another one on my head and now the mask. It's really convenient. Not at all. Here's my coffee. Cheers to you guys. I am about 1 kilometer away from my place. I think I'll keep going. Enjoy the coffee while it's still warm. Got this nice Porsche in the snow all by itself. The city is so empty. Well, anyway, coffee is amazing. Keeps my hand warm, otherwise it would be frozen by now. Just some pretty Amsterdam buildings, closed stores and restaurants. But this is the case everywhere, I assume. Some cars that had been left in the snow. This is really nice snow though. It's not dirty like in the center of the city. So refreshing. Should I sit on this couch and enjoy my coffee? Nope. Yes, I know it's weird today. Really cold. You hungry probably. Such a nice neighborhood with a store in the corner. It's a coffee place, not a coffee shop. So this is a coffee place. But how sad it is, guys, that we can't enjoy it with singing outside, especially on a day like this, with some heating on top of your head, just to enjoy the snow and the sun. Oh yeah, the snow machine. They don't put snow. They don't put snow. Of course, they won't put any snow. They don't put salt in all places, just for environmental reasons. You can tell me below in the comments where you are currently located and how is February treating you there. It was a lovely break from the mundane quarantine life that we've all been living. Another corner cafe. I'm taking this small scenic route to my house. I also like to walk a bit on the snow. Hasn't turned to ice yet. Could be a nightmare though. If all of this turns to ice, yeah, tomorrow will be pretty terrible. I don't know why I said it this way. It's gonna be pretty terrible. Oh, there's so much. As you can tell, snow makes me really happy. Hey guys, this is the canal that we saw at the beginning of the episode, and people are ice skating on it right now. They're having a lovely time. That's so nice. The kids are ice skating. Oh yeah, it's a wonderful day to ice skate. To me, this looks perfect. Oh yeah, it is frozen. This is a bottle, it's not a duck. pretty cold. Looks like it's cold. And I wanted to thank you guys for joining me on this short walk of today in the snow. Do not forget to like and subscribe below, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully it's gonna be a car spotting video because I've missed one of these. I want desperately to go outside looking for cars, but until then I hope you're enjoying your time wherever you are, and like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Ciao.